Hello everyone, my name is Zhu Chen. I'm the co-founder and COO of Aelf Blockchain Technology. Today, I would like to share with you how Aelf, together with Huawei Cloud, can help your organization to capture the new values in the digitalized world. I will first start to talk about how technology has been helping to grow the economy. Throughout the human history, we have seen technology to help people to move around. So that started with cars, airplanes, and ships. And moving forward, we start to see new technology to help information to be created seamlessly and at low cost, and also being transmitted to every single corner of the world. And that has opened up the business of internet. And moving even further into that, finance and fintech companies has been trying even further to make assets and values to move freely and also being exchanged and transacted at a more efficient way. Blockchain is here to help institutions to make assets and values to be exchanged, created, and transacted in a more efficient and secure way. It has a ledger that cannot be hacked, and it records every single transaction. The smart contract allows any transactions to be executed in a predefined way and a transparent way. And the incentive system comes with blockchain, allows companies to even work with customers that they never worked before and even build an ecosystem that includes more partners and can expand globally. So that is the beauty of blockchain. Blockchain has come a long way for the past 10 years. It first emerged as a single use case called Bitcoin, which is a global money that was created not by any single country or any business entities, but still being accepted and traded by all the people in the world. And moving forward, we start to introduce a new technology on blockchain called smart contract, which is invented by Ethereum. So Ethereum become the programmable global money that allows money to be transacted in even more ways and also can be custodianed without any middleman. And that really opens up to many more possibilities for business, especially for financial institutions. So that's where the third generation of blockchain, such as Aelf, is really trying to create an internet of value, where smart contracts can be more generic to fulfill any kinds of business needs. And also it is future-proof that can allow any institutions to use it at ease. So it really makes blockchain as part of the digitalization journey for institutions. We have seen many use cases that has started with financial institutions, blockchain being one of the key technology enablers to make those things happen. Recently, we have seen the news that a few countries' central banks has started to experiment digital currencies in their own society, such as China and also Singapore government. We have also seen cross-border transactions empowered by blockchain to really make Forex and also money remittance to happen at much cheaper cost. And we're very happy to hear cases like Velo Lab is trying to make that happen in Thailand with other countries. And without saying that, there are even more use cases happening on financial services. With so many use cases happening, companies has been leveraging the key features of blockchain to create values. So those are trustless, immutability, and also borderless. blockchain has replaced the needs of middlemen for any business to happen. So you could work with other institutions or customers without any trust to be built at the very beginning. This is super crucial for high-frequency trading and any financial transactions. The immutability of all the past records recorded on a blockchain also makes it more hack-proof, and people can use it at peace. And the technology itself provides an outreach that companies can provide the service to people in other countries and also can incentivize new partners at every corner of the world. So with these three key features, a lot of companies have been using it to improve the efficiencies of their existing business. For example, blockchain has been driving down the cost of cross-border remittance. But more interestingly, by replacing or getting rid of the middleman, companies have been envisioning a new value chain where they can capture more values or moving up or downwards to work on more stuff. And thirdly, with internet being more prominent in the whole world and our consumers being more and more comfortable of using digital assets and digital identity, it also provides new business opportunities and brand new business models for financial institutions to serve the new digital demographics in the world. And that is definitely the future. So blockchain is really more than a technology. It is part of the journey that helps institutions to go beyond automation and digitalization and move into more of a value-driven business model empowered by blockchain. So it will be part of the grand IT and digital transformation, and it will be one of the core parts. A lot of enterprises has been interested in this, and how can we actually go through the journey? So based on a survey conducted together between Aelf and global consultancy Roland Berger, we have interviewed many executives around the world. A lot of them agreed that financial institutions need to embrace blockchain. And secondly, they also think that they want to take more of a controlled measure to start with something not public, but rather a consortium blockchain. And lastly, they also agreed that they're looking for partners not just to provide a future-proof blockchain, but also can help them to explore new applications on top of blockchain. So that's where we are. We're here to introduce Aelf as the one-stop solution for your institution to embrace blockchain fully. Aelf provides a world-class engineered blockchain that is future-proof. We offer you the product so you do not have to worry about blockchain to be obsolete, and it comes with all the modern technology that suits your institution's need. Secondly, running the blockchain in your institution is as easy as running any cloud applications. We can launch Aelf blockchain in your institution within 15 minutes, and you can customize it based on your needs. So your organization fully owns that blockchain. And together with cloud service providers like Huawei, we could scale up the blockchain itself depending on how big your blockchain business is and to serve your customer base. So that provides a cost saving and also a scalability that fits the growth of your business. And along the way, we're offering more and more applications on Huawei Cloud so that you could see how other companies are using blockchain to innovate and serve their customers. And we are happy to help you on that journey. Aelf blockchain is one of the most innovative and well-engineered product in the market. We are the first one to introduce parallel processing capability on a blockchain. And that leads to a processing and storage capability that is as efficient as central server, which will make your organization feel painless in using it to serve your customers. We also introduced an innovative cross-chain capability so that your application will not work in silo, but rather being able to work with any other applications available in the market, and you can tap into those customer base as well. Aelf blockchain is built with a modular architecture so that it's super easy to maintain and also customize based on your institution's needs. And also, we keep the developer's experience at the core of our mission. So we try to make that as easy as possible and provide all the needed necessary documentations and tools for your technology team to work on. We have been on the front line of setting standards in the industry. We are publishing a standard in digital asset identification at IEEE with a few other well-known institutions. We believe by having a standard in the industry, this will help companies to more easily bring assets onto blockchain. And this will define what data will be needed and how those assets shall be formed on a blockchain. As most companies are moving in their business onto cloud, we build Aelf blockchain fully on cloud as well. Launching Aelf blockchain on your cloud is painless. You could easily find it on the Huawei Cloud Marketplace and launch it using Huawei Cloud within 15 minutes. So in this way, you don't really feel any pain and rather just launch a new software from Huawei Cloud.
Okay, now let's talk about decentralized finance or DeFi. So why do we need DeFi? This is because cryptocurrencies has been considered as a financial asset by most of the countries in the world right now. And it is one of the most exciting assets in the market. Let's first take a look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has a market capitalization of $360 billion and with a trading volume of 21 billion per day. This is still below gold, but it has surpassed most commodities. Stablecoin, on the other hand, have an even higher daily trading volume at 50 billion USD. And the best part of it, all these cryptocurrencies are still young with merely 10 years history, and innovations are coming day by day. So with the future growth prospect of cryptocurrencies, it is impossible to omit the opportunity to build a financial market and a financial system around it. So that is decentralized finance. Within the past 2 years, we have seen a vibrant trading and lending market. And this helps us to rethink how financial institutions and financial products shall be structured with blockchain. So unlike traditional financial assets, cryptocurrencies are settled and transferred instantly and trustless on blockchain. This makes it an efficient market operating 24/7 and one of the most globally liquid market. To bring even more liquidity into trading, automatic market making introduces a pricing algorithm to offer trade at any time. So Uniswap and sashimiswap are all AMM-based exchanges that are fully on blockchain and require no price input from human. The futures and derivatives markets have surpassed the trading volume of spot market and provide traders tools to hedge their positions. With the help of smart contract, structured products can be developed on blockchain and executed efficiently without any human intervention. And let's look at the current world. We are in a world where zero or negative interest rate for fiat has become the norm. Cryptocurrencies offers an attractive value to generate interests. It is quite common to enjoy high single-digit interest rate for fully collateralized Bitcoin lending, and much higher ones for other cryptocurrencies. We are excited to see longer-term loans with fixed interest rate and interest swaps in the future to create a large fixed income market for cryptocurrencies. At sashimiswap, we are the first exchange on blockchain to seamlessly utilize idle liquidity in the pool to generate fixed income through a lending protocol, thanks to the composability of DeFi products, and without compromising the efficient pricing on sashimiswap. And this makes sashimiswap the most capital efficient AMM exchange in DeFi space. So my point here today is that there is huge demand to bring various traditional financial products into DeFi space. In order to capture that opportunity, business leaders need to nurture internal capabilities and understand what infrastructure are needed, such as blockchain custodian, expertise in smart contract development, smart contract security, and market characteristics of blockchain. I strongly believe that the Japanese market has a unique opportunity in the DeFi space. From a demand point of view, Japanese market is an early adopter in Bitcoin and Ethereum. It is a wealthy population searching for reasonable yields and a country where virtual goods are widely accepted. I still remember my first manga and Nintendo games that I play that brings me into the virtual world. So it won't surprise me if Japan issues some of the most valuable virtual goods on blockchain, or we call it non-fungible tokens, and build a financial market around it. From a supply point of view, Japan has well-established financial institutions and a leading financial hub in the world. The financial expertise will help Japan to understand DeFi well and tailor-make products that suits the domestic market. In addition, the regulatory clarity towards major cryptocurrencies in Japan is another big plus to bring confidence into the space. So if you're interested in exploring more about DeFi, please feel free to reach me. And thank you very much for your time today.